This is how to adjust a lumbar spine. What you want to do, put abdominal suspension. That creates a negative pressure on the front. Then you want to distract that joint, and that means you're opening up that area. Now, if there's a lateral deviation, because these muscles, they're not under conscious control. You don't want to work on the muscles. You want to work on what controls those muscles. And that's going to be a distraction, isolating that segment, laterally flexing until you can feel those intrinsic muscles change. When they do, you drop this in, creating a local inflammatory response so the body can regenerate. Now, since that thoracic area is connected to the lumbar, you want to de-stress that area out. So I'm going to contact, and this is a very, very gentle meningeal release. Now, when you're adjusting, we're doing the same force loading in 3 different planes. Patient is face down, prone, on the side, and supine posture. And this is everything. Now, you don't want to twist or torque the body. You want to leave the body in a neutral position. Maintain pressure, and then create a slight inflammatory response. So now that's the same force loading when the body is in 2 different planes. We're also going to do it when she's in the supine position. Get this kind of care. Look at our Huntington Beach clinic, look at our Mexico clinic, and we're going to get you healthy, but also get the adaptive physiology site. And you're going to learn how to do this and learn what corrective chiropractic is. I'll see you there.